Hey everyone, I'm Arzu Khurana, a wildlife photographer, and today I want to talk about something I have been really excited to test, the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. Now this isn't a paid review or anything, these are my glasses. In fact, they have powered lenses and I've been playing around with them for a while, I think about more than 2 months now. And back then they were not available in India, but now they finally are. So I thought this is the perfect time to share my experience with you. These glasses have a 12 megapixel camera and they can record up to 10 80p videos for up to 3 minutes per clip. After that, the recording will automatically stop, but you can always change the recording limit in settings if you prefer shorter videos. Now the question is why I bought it. Of course, there are fun features like the voice assistant, Hey Meta, and the inbuilt speakers for music and calls. But as a photographer, what really drew me in was the camera. I thought this would be super useful for capturing behind the scenes footage in the jungle or quick shots when something suddenly happens in a safari. And that is exactly what I have been doing. My jungle testing experience of these Metas were pretty good. These are my powered glasses and they've been great for hands-free use. I use them while tracking wildlife, when I'm in the gypsy or when I'm walking through the trails. Now let's look at how the camera actually performs. The photo quality. Here's a shot where the green tones look rich and nicely balanced. The shadows are not too crushed and the color profile overall is really pleasant. This portrait of Irshad shows skin tones have come out quite natural. No oversaturation, and even though it's not capturing minute details like the skin texture and all, it looks decent for casual photography. I mean, definitely for social media, it's a nice pic. The focusing was nice. You just have to look, press and shoot. It's a wide angle. But yes, there were cases where it missed also. It's kind of testing them a little too tight, but yes, I'm telling you what I felt. Now, a huge limitation with Meta glasses is they shoot only in the vertical orientation. You cannot switch to landscape mode. So if you're somebody who would want to shoot cinematic wide shots or horizontal framings, this might disappoint you. It's locked to vertical. Great for Instagram stories and posts, reels, but you cannot experiment much with the format. That's one drawback. Now you need to remember there is a capture light indicator in this. Whenever you click a photo or record a video, there is a small white light that flashes on the glasses. This is a privacy feature so that people around you know that you're recording. It's so that you cannot secretly click somebody without them knowing, which is honestly a great thing to add. Video quality and stabilization. Now let's talk about videos. You can record well in motion and the stabilization is actually quite okay. Even while the gypsy was bumping around a great deal, the videos were not too jerky. For content like BTS in the vlog, quick travel snippets, this works beautifully. The mic quality is also surprisingly good. Here is a clip with original in-camera audio, no post-processing.
क्या गिरा? Good? टूट गया? बचा के टूट गया? यार पकड़ के तो बैठना चाहिए.
टर्न एकदम दे दिया ना, आगे पीछे चल नहीं रही थी.
Very good. चले? कैमरा पे मिल गया मुझे, आपने मेरा माइक तोड़ा.
I tried it on a few peacocks and unfortunately the colors felt flat in a couple of shots. Here the blues are not very vibrant and overall it lagged punch. I'm not sure what happened. Probably the light was a little too low for them to handle, but this was the only one time I faced a problem. Otherwise, when the light was okay, the photos came out very good. So frankly, if you're thinking it's gonna give you some great quality, it won't. It's not meant for serious photography. Now final thoughts and who is it for? Here is my honest verdict. 12 megapixel images look good in daylight. Color tones are vibrant and pleasing. Fast for spontaneous captures, videos and audios are solid for casual use. Super easy to carry and click and perfect for reels, stories and BTS. The problems: no landscape mode, only vertical. Autofocus might miss occasionally. Poor performance in low light can be a possibility if the light is very low. Not meant for detailed or professional shots. Keep this in your mind. Now the question is, would I recommend it? So if you're considering it for some serious photography, then obviously it's a no. This is not a replacement for any sort of your camera. But if you're into travel, jungle safaris, behind the scenes footages, or just love capturing random cool moments hands-free, this is a nice tech to have. For someone like me who's always on the move, chasing tigers or documenting tigers in the forest, this fits really well. I hope this gave you a fair idea about how Ray-Ban Meta can fit your purpose or if the camera is suitable for you or not. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I'll see you in the next video.